Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to the Center for Mathematics. We are looking at differentiation using powers and coefficients. Example 5, which is the last example, part A says y equals to 2x power 3 out of 2 minus x power negative half. If we look here, there is no x on the denominator, and if x is not on the denominator, then we can proceed with our laws of powers and coefficients. So dy dx becomes 2 times you drop the power, which is 3 out of 2 x. What is now the new power of x? It becomes the whole power 3 out of 2 minus 1. We have differentiated the first term. Going to the second term, we are saying minus because it is minus. Remember here we have 1. If I say 1 times you drop the power negative 1 out of 2 x. Now the new power of x becomes the whole power, which is negative half minus 1. Then we simplify. 2 times 3 out of 2 is 3x. 3 out of 2 minus 1, that is half. 3 divided by 2 minus 1 is a half. Negative here times negative here positive. So we shall have here plus a half x. Negative a half minus 1 is negative 3 out of 2. Negative a half minus 1 is negative 3 out of 2. So this is the answer. Or if you want to make your powers appear all positive, then we can have 3x power half. Remember, x to power half is the same as root of x. So there are very many alternative forms that you can write, but we shall not use this. And then plus, I want to make this power positive, this power of x. So I lower x. I put x on the denominator to have x power 3 out of 2. This one is also the same answer. There are very many other alternative forms, but we shall not do them right now. That is for part A. Going to part B. Part B of y equals to x power 2 out of 3 plus 6 out of x squared. In part B, x has occurred on the denominator, so we make it appear on the numerator. Therefore, we shall have 2 out of 3 plus 6 x power negative 2. That power now changes to negative. Now from there, we need to find dy dx, which is the derivative that we are looking for, which becomes our markers, which becomes, remember here we have 1, so we shall say that original 1 times 2 out of 3, that is the power x. Now the new power becomes 2 out of 3 minus 1. We have differentiated the first term plus. Second term becomes 6 times the power negative 2 x, and now the new power becomes the whole power minus 1. We have differentiated it. Now let us simplify to have our answer ready. This here now gives us 2 out of 3 x. What is 2 out of 3 minus 1? 2 divided by 3 minus 1, negative 1 out of 3. So we have negative 1 out of 3. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. So this one changes to minus 12 x power negative 3 if you operate the powers. Now this is the answer, which is very correct. But in case you want the positive powers of x, you can just say you can have 2 out of 3 x power positive half, power positive 1 out of 3 minus 12 over x power 3. Those are the laws of indices. Either way, your answer is correct, but always leave the answer that you get that first. And that makes the solution to part B. To summarize example 5 and to summarize the concept, part C says we are given y as 4x power 1 out of 4 minus 3 x power negative 1. There is no term of x on the denominator. So we are okay. We just go straight away to divide the x, becoming 4 times 1 out of 4, x power 1 out of 4 minus 1. For us to get the new power, minus 3 times negative 1, x negative 1 minus 1. Then we simplify this. This here gives us x power negative 3 out of 4 out of 4, because this and this will give us 1 here. 1 out of 4 minus 1 is negative 3 out of 4. Yes. And then negative and negative, they give us the opposite. So we have plus 3 x. If you operate the powers, you get negative 2. This is the correct answer. But in case you want an alternative form of the answer, which is optional, or you can just say x out of x or 3 out of 4. Well, make the power positive. Sorry, it becomes a 1. Okay, 1 over x power positive 3 out of 4 plus 3 out of x positive 2. That is out of x squared. So this is the solution to example 5.